Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer your Metamask to Phantom wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer funds from Metamask to Phantom, first of all you need to get Phantom's recipient address. Simply tap open your Phantom wallet and then select the network you are transferring from. For example, Solana or Ethereum, anything, and simply copy the generated address from that particular network. So once you have done this, simply log into the Metamask, and once you are in your Metamask account, you need to simply initiate the transfer by clicking on the send button within Metamask. After doing this, simply paste the recipient address, like paste the Phantom address you have copied into the recipient field in Metamask. After doing this, specify the amount and token. Enter the amount of tokens you want to transfer and select the specific token you are sending. Simply now review the details and confirm the transaction and sign with your Metamask credentials. So by doing this, you can simply transfer from Metamask to Phantom wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.